Hello everyone, my name is Danko from Train, and today I'm going to show you how to use smartphones safely so you can prevent the spread of coronavirus. First of all, wear gloves. Then carefully remove smartphones behind or above your head. Then use tweezers to remove used sponges. And if you want to reuse the same sponges again, make sure that you keep them in the personalized cup. Then clean all the leather surfaces with cotton pads and alcohol. Then pack your smartphones and the smarting device in the box. And easy as that. Now your smartphones are safe to use by someone else. Stay safe.